Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I'm playing with what looks like at the moment a little beach grass. And I have scooped colors out of containers, some of which I have not used all of, and I have added more colors of grass from other containers and used the edge. And although we're using an Arteza canvas board, which won't warp, it's not got much give, so it's a little bit tweaky, frustrating. But I'm getting there. I'm getting somewhere. I kind of want to take and very carefully move some of that right up, but it's not going very easily. I guess I can imagine that that looks like it's catching the wind or the sun or something. I'm way more used to getting my way, I gotta say. I'm going to throw that in the bucket. I'm not going to worry about it anymore. I'm going to take a little bit of fun color. And what am I going to do? I am going to grab my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Just put a few flowers here and there. I think I want some more of that orange. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that sky yet. Something, I'll tell you what. I want some other leaves and things. Probably should have kept my green dish, but you know what? I've got those little dishes and I'm not adverse to just using them to put some color in. Not as easy by far to do this garden thing on the canvas board. I think I said that a bunch of times now. So if you decide to do this, be aware of that. But we can just make an impressionist scape anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I'm going to go back to dotting. And I could probably pull them around or spiral them or something, but I'm not sure that that's going to be the way that works. Kind of like that I left enough little spears to be the stems, so I don't have to do any more of that. The spatula worked much easier, and that's alright with me. I kind of want some of that pink down in those rocks, but I don't know if that's a good idea or not. I didn't use my torch yet. Yeah, I like that pink down there. I'm good with that. I'm going to wipe that off. Use my torch. Check my green stuff, which I kind of think would be good if I just, yeah, that's better. Cool. A little basting brush action. I like it. I'm going to steal some paint from here and put it there because it looks like it needs it. Yeah, I'm much happier with that. I'm going to go right down here and then come back up again. Yep, much happier with that. Now I just got to figure out what I'm going to do with that sky. And if I want to pull any flowers out, what what else I want to do with my little negative spaces that I see here and there, if anything. I generally like to have a little bit of white negative space in the green area. I like the idea of having the roots come down in the rocks. I'm kind of thinking that maybe I ought to just give myself permission to put a sun in the sky. But I'm feeling like that's kind of brave. What have I got that I can use to make a sun in the sky? That's got something in the middle of it. That's kind of different. I'm going to twiddle that around. I think I want some more yellow. Yeah, that's kind of different. I don't know what I'm going to do with all the marbles in my hand now. Bye, marbles. What else? What other colors do I like? That's not what I want. I kind of want to put some paint right over on my side. Let's see what happens. I might be unhappy I did that. I might be very unhappy I did that. Okay. Let's see if we can fix that. I don't actually mind that. I kind of like it. It helps break things up. I don't know what that is. I want to do some more interesting stuff to the sky to make it more like what I want. Although, it'd be better if I knew what I wanted first. Please stop clogging. Alright. Please come out. It's not coming out. At all. Whatever you are. Not cooperating thing. There we go. We got something. Sort of. It's a very, what kind of sky would we call that? A little bit abstract, to say the least. Alright, I got probably more than I wanted there, but that's okay, because I'm going to use it other places. And I like the way the white looked. Just got to be a little careful about getting close to those flowers, because they were supposed to be done. Maybe that's what fingers are for. For saving you. It's a hazy sun. It's a beach day. We're all ready for a beach day. Believe me, all of us are ready for a beach day. I kind of like that. I'm very close to deciding that I'm satisfied. I do kind of want to take and make some dots with the fine point of my skewer. Now I use GAC 800 by Golden, which I hope means that I'm not going to have to worry about cracking paint in these little blobby flowers. Yeah, it's all a fantasy, so I should just follow my interest in doing whatever I want. And this is what I want. I wasn't sure this was going to work. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be a lot happier working on a much larger canvas, that's for certain. One that has some give in it. But I like my little flowers. I think I would have liked it a lot better had I been able to add more foliage more easily. Do I really want to try that? Do I? I'm not sure. I really love my spirals. Taking up all the rest of our time. Finishing up. Kind of figure if I spiral them out, they might dry better. Then I should not be worried about that in the least. I am a little shaky today for whatever reason. So I'm not as comfortable as I am usually. Now I have no idea what kind of flowers these are. But they're a little bigger than they were before, which is okay with me. They're beach flowers. I like the dots, what can I say? And I like the spirals. There's no escaping spirals in me. If you don't like spirals, you're in the wrong video. There. Cool. Let's add a few more things. Or we see we should have some. Yep, I think that'll work. Cool. Okay, well that's that. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio going. If you like what I do, there are 450 more videos, actually 489 last I checked, on the end screens playlist in the last 20 seconds of the video. And on my, in the description of my video, you will find the paint pouring mixture recipe. Although I'm not saying that it was all that handy in this particular video. You'll also find my Amazon link directly under the video, and that's where you can find my book, Because I Can, which shows the first 100 videos from my YouTube recordings, and tools and processes. I want to say thank you for all the contributions you guys have made in the past to keep me painting. I really appreciate it. I don't know what that's bothering me. Let's pretend it's gone now. Anyway, I have a crib sheet, and I have Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook volumes 1, 2, and 3 at the very bottom of the description under the video. So if you're interested in finding out more about me or seeing more of my work, you can go to my Facebook pages and you can find volumes of artwork from YouTube. You can you can look for Shop More button, which will take you to my pixels.com and Find Art America, where I have posted stuff since 2013, and there's a lot of fun stuff to look at there. I do sell my artwork, so if you have an inquiry, just make mention of it on YouTube. And I do give lessons at the house. That thing right there is bothering me. And if I've forgotten something other than please give me a thumbs up, it helps my placement on YouTube. And thank you for 52,000, almost 53,000 subscribers when last I checked. Yes, I never stop. Just gotta put it even upside down. I could tell that was in the wrong place. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video maybe. I hope to see you, and take care. This is Priscilla Batzell. I said that already. Bye for now. Priscilla out.